Over here, you can see that I have a picture opened up. And let's say what I want to do is I want to add in a picture from my computer and add it as a second layer onto the same project file that I have open right here. So in that case, what you can do is you can go around onto the file menu, and over here you can see place is an option. So if I were to go around and click on this, then it opens up the Explorer window, and here you can see that I can select out the image that I want from wherever I might have saved it inside of my computer. And then once you select out the image, you can go around and click on place. And what happens is that the image is loaded out as a second layer, as you can see, and you can resize it and place it wherever you want. So I'm just going to go around right here, resize it out and place it right over here. You can rotate it around as well. And once you're happy with where you want to place it, you can press the check mark right here. And similarly, you can simply go around and move this out wherever you want. And the object that you place right here comes in as a smart object, meaning even if you were to resize it right here, just like this, and then resize it once more, what happens is that the detail will be preserved. Let me just press the check mark button right here, and you can see that the details is still preserved right here, even if you were to resize it multiple times. And you can add in as many layers as you want right here, just like this, onto a single project file and then work around with it. So that is how you can use the place option inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.